Hello! Good morning mga kalakwatsera nako. It's exactly 5 o'clock in the morning. We will be crossing the longest bridge in the Philippines with a length of 8.9 kilometers connecting mainland Cebu paadong sa Municipality of Cordoba, Lapu-Lapu City, and Mactan Island. Mangita tag mga seafoods. Basin ko na atay Macao na bakasi, tihi-tihi, ubod, and so many exotic nga mga seafoods. Come on, join me. It's 8.9 kilometers in length with a height of 52 meters at exactly 5 o'clock in the morning. Join me here, ha? Visit Cebu and experience crossing the longest bridge in the Philippines. Mayong buntag. Medyo madilim pa, pero nasa tuktok na tayo ngayon ng Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway na bridge. We are 52 meters above sea level sa bridge na to. Madilim, ha? Hindi pa natin makita, pero now you have an idea how high the bridge is. Kasi nga, we are on the top of the bridge, 52 meters in height above sea level, okay? Join me. You come to Cebu and experience once in a lifetime crossing the longest. Crossing the longest bridge in the Philippines is always an experience, no? Especially for a 63 years old senior citizen and gay. It is always an achievement. This is my 12th times crossing the bridge, pero every time I step my feet, when I commence, no, pagsimula ng pag-jogging ko dito, it always give me an adrenaline rush and a certain pride, no? Pride na kaya ko an 8.9 kilometers. Actually, ang kaya ko is half a marathon every day. So, I would like to invite all my ka-contemporary senior citizen, yung mga bashers ko na tinatawag akong tigulang na bayot, no? Come on, join me here. Para at least, no, I can inspire you to live healthy and be rich. Good morning. Bye! 52 meters in height. This is the longest bridge in the Philippines. The Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway. Sa mga senior citizen na katulad ko, sa mga baklang katulad ko, sa mga single na tulad ko, huwag na huwag kayong pumayag na lilimitahan ang inyong kakayahan. Ikaw lang ang makapapagdikta kung anong kaya mo. Your life, your body, your rules. Wala silang naiambag na kahit na 5 duling para maging masaya ka. Do not restrict yourself with the noise from the outside. Karamihan dyan, mga losers. Kaya dapat lang, ha, maging masaya. Choose to be happy. Choose to inspire other people. Choose to live with a purpose. Choose to be healthy. choose to be beautiful and choose to be inspiring. Ang tigulang na bayot, 63 years old. Keep going. Keep enjoying life. It is difficult to be rich, but it is also difficult to stay healthy. But you can do both with self-determination, self-discipline. Ang mga inggit, manigas kayong lahat. Bye! Attention to all my followers, bashers ba yan, supporters, haters. Tulungan nyo ako, ha? Mag-submit kayo ng costume design for my next outfit para sa sinulog. Send me sketches, AI ba yan? Design that you originally created. Dapat hindi taken from someone without asking permission. Kailangan original na design nyo. Kailangan maging comfortable ako. Dapat sexy because I want to move. I want to dance. I am moving around. Magalaw ako. Magaslaw ako. Gusto kong sumayaw. So submit it to me. This time, if you're a bashers, makabash na mo, kikita pa kayo sa akin because I'm going to pay. Kung sino man ang magustuhan ko na design, kung ano man ang magustuhan ko na design, I'll get it. I'll pay you for the design. This time, mga bashers, kasi ang tataba ng utak nyo, sige, mag-submit kayo ng inyong entry. Makakabash na kayo kang mamita, kikita pa kayo. And to my supporters, please help me provide an awesome, magandang outfit for the sinulog next year, okay? Mas mabuti na yung maaga para ma-conceptualize kagad. Good morning, mga bashers. Ano na? Instead of bashing, mag-aral, magtrabaho, mag-exercise para hindi kayo pabigat sa lipunan. Wala nang ayuda ngayon kasi bankrupt na ang gobyerno. Okay? Mahirap ang maging patay gutom, mamamatay kang tirik ang iyong mga mata. Good morning! Actually, ito ang tamang panahon para sa ating mga elderly to cross the Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway na bridge. Kasi, di ba 5 o'clock in the morning, madilim pa. So, kita mga elderly, we wake up. We usually wake up very early. So, instead, lying in the bed, nakatunganga, nakahiga, get your sneakers, punta kayo dito kasi it opens at 5 o'clock in the morning. Wear something comfortable. Tapos, dapat ang running shoes matibay. At saka malamig ang panahon, madilim. Medyo madilim pa, you bring a light with you. Napakasarap ng hangin, walang init, malamig ang panahon, takot tayo sa init, di ba? At saka, ganda ng amoy ng hangin, it's so clean, very refreshing. So this is the right time to cross the bridge. 8.9 kilometers, parang baliwala lang kasi ang gaganda ng mga view. So senior citizen, come on! You can do it! Come on, join me ha! Hope to see you here. Good morning! Ano ba ang mga benefits ng jogging? Especially for the elderly. Una, it's good for the heart, no? Cardiovascular exercise, ang walking, at saka jogging. Pangalawa, sense of balance. Balanse ang katawan. Mahirap sa mga elderly yung nagkakaroon ng vertigo, dizziness, at saka nahihirapan na magbalanse sa katawan. So, this is really good, no? Para yung mga muscles natin, ang ating feet, ang ating knee, hands, hips are moving. We stay mobile para balanse ang paglakad natin. Posture! Importante yun. Posture, no? Straight. You walk straight. Para hindi parang, kuba. Pag tumanda, hindi kuba. Straight pa rin. Katulad ni Mamita Lacuatsera. Isa pa. If you jog, if you walk, there is that endorphin, no? Hormones that secrete your body that makes you happy, creative, relaxed, and very positive. Nawawala yung pagka-grumpy, masungit, irritability, wala sa mood. Once you jog, tanggal yon. Next, jogging also keep you fit. And if you have problems with your weight, it contain yung mga excess fats and maintain your weight. So mas mahirap yung mataba, overweight. Kailangan you have to watch your weight. Next, pag may perspiration, it means you're healthy. It's good for the skin kasi yung mga toxins sa body natatanggal. And lastly, please, bago mag-jogging o mag-walking, maligo! Hygiene is very important. Dapat malinis tayo sa ating katawan. Okay? Yan lang. At the top of my head right now, ang naaalala ko kung bakit you need to walk or jog. Because it has so many benefits in your health. Good morning. Itayo yung bridge. Ang Cordova was a fishing industry, no? May mga fishing industry sila dito, kaya ang daming mga bangka nang huli ng isda, mga sea creatures. Hanggang ngayon, kahit na may tulay na, nandito pa rin sila, continuously living what they used to be doing, ang mangisda. Kaya naidaghan kay mga bangka nga makita ninyo. There is sa kilid, no, sa bridge where they collect their toll fee, where they RFID or cash basis. Dire, end of the line sa mga papunta ng Cebu City, that is the starting point. From Cebu City naman, dito naman kinokolekta yung mga toll fee na dapat bayaran. This is Padong Natakarod entering municipality or Cordova, Lapu-Lapu City and Mactan Island.